Hey guys, today I want to show how to create and how to use the list in Python. So the list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. So this allows the duplicate members. So the list is a collection which is ordered and changeable, and in Python lists are written with square brackets. For example, to create a list, so the new list is equal and has an item with cat and dog and mouse, yeah. And when I want to print this new list, and here is the list with item cat and dog and mouse. And for example, how to insert an item. So new list dot insert, for example, in the position 3 with for example horse, yeah. And when print this new list, and in the output will be a new item with horse, yeah. For example, how to change an element, for example, this new list, for example, I want to change the index 1 the horse, yeah. And then print, and here will be a new element with horse, and here it is a new. So this is allows a duplicate members. For example, how to remove, so this new list point dot remove, and for example the horse, yeah. And when print this new list, yeah, one horse are deleted. And when run this and when print, here is the list. And for example, how to get this list length, so print length and new list, and it has 2 items in the list. And how to clear all item, so new list dot clear, yeah. And when print this, it is nothing in the list, and you can print this length, it is 0. So thank you for watching, see you later.